Good day to supervisor and examiner. My name is Tan Ying. Today I'm going to present about my business plan products, multifunctional wardrobes. Furniture is like a dishes and the rest of a meal. It takes up our major spaces and makes your home feel like living, welcoming and complete. My company name, Woodworks Concept Company, it is a private limited company with 4 shareholders. So we are a home furnishing company that mainly focus on the bedroom furniture, which relates to the platform of architecture and design. So for our company mission, we aim to be the best international bedroom manufacturer, and our mission is to create value and allow customer build trust and respect to us. And the most importantly is to strive to grow the relationship in between us and customer. As this is a partnership company, the starting capital is 500,000, which 60% from me and the rest of us 40% are from shareholders. Here we have 3 types of competitors, which are direct, indirect and future. To compete with them, we have an experienced marketing team as a support. So for direct is Johan and Joanne. They are a bedroom furniture manufacturer with high popularity in Malaysia, and they have been awarded in the MIFF Malaysia International Furniture in 2017 to 2019. So for indirect competitors is Inception Design and Trading. They are produce a variety of furniture manufacturer with a high popularity in Malaysia as well. While the future competitors is IKEA, because they have a online and a physical store with a wide range of products. Like they have sell a variety of furniture and decoration for home. Also, their design is simple, the price is not too high, so that they can attract a lot of customers. So what are the reasons that inspire our team to invent these multifunctional wardrobes? Do you know the accommodation of Hong Kong? Have you been explored the situation in every single family of them? Yeah, the space of their accommodation are having a limitation space. Other than Hong Kong, even in Malaysia, Penang and KL, start dealing with that situations. Next, we will talk about the price, product design, and the function of multifunctional wardrobes. For the selling price is 8,900 with a size of 8 x 10 feet. But the price can be adjustable because it can be customized and depends on the requirements from customers. So for the product design, we can see that there's 5 functions in one wardrobe. For first column is an expandable computer desk and book racks, while the second column is a dressing table with a LED light mirror, while the third and fourth is wardrobes. But the sliding door, we have a transparent TV. Last column, we have a display cabinets and shoes cabinets. For the shoes cabinets, we have a ventilator function and able to prevent the odor and humidity problems. Next, this is showing how was the computer desk and shoes cabinet to be functioned. For computer desk is using a few kits pull downs, which means that are foldable, while the shoes cabinet is pull up function, or we call it as a tic-tac open. For the material, why do we choose a solid plywood instead of a rubber wood? Because solid plywood is not too heavy, and most importantly, their price is not too high and with a better quality as it's durable, strength and dimensional stability. Also, it does not susceptible to cracking or warping. For our surface, we have choose melamine and polygon. Since melamine is costly than color polygon, so we have used melamine for external while color polygon for internal. But they have a common function, which are dirt resistant, water resistant, scratch resistant and fire resistant. Before distribute our products into the markets, we have done a market analysis. We have conducted the demographic, geographic, behavioral segmentation to do the analysis. And next, how we going to distribute our markets? For our first method, we have used share our products on the social medias, official website and banner advertisements to attract a customer and build a trust from them. Other than that, Furniture Expo is the best chance as it can attract more customers and increase our sales as well. So to increase the popularity of the company, we can participate in the furniture design competitions such as MIFF. And lastly is a promotion. Promotion given on special days such as Malaysia Days, Merdeka or year-end sales and so on, which could increase our market sales. In operation plan, we guarantee that we have checked every single step of manufacturing the products and we have done the scheduled maintenance for our unit operations. Also, we have do the full checking on every single part produced. There's a specific checklist for checking in the final step in order to prevent any defects before handing to customer. We promise to provide customer a good furniture with high specification and various functions so that the customer can rely upon on our products and utilize it under a comfortable and satisfied conditions. So based on the forecast, we can see that in the first year we have a net loss due to starting of a business, but the coming years we have a profit earning due to the increase of sales. So we conclude that multifunctional furniture helps you to reduce the clutter by reducing the number of pieces in the rooms, while the storage wardrobe helps you to reduce the clutter by providing storage area inside the wardrobes by giving you a compartments for personal items like clothing and shoes. That's all from me. Thank you.